Hi guys, Noah here and welcome to this third Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about some basic vocabulary in Kiluba. So we are going to start with Kekiolwa. Kekiolwa means good evening. So when you meet someone in the evening, you could say to them Kekiolwa, or they could say to you good evening Kekiolwa during the evening or at night. Kiolwa means evening or night. Lubanga, thirdly, Lubanga means morning. We have also Kitachi or Kitachi. It has two different ways of writing. It means the time. In the first writing style, Kitachi, this is a new writing, and Kitachi with T, Y and I at the end, it is the old style of writing. So you could find in some books it is written Kitachi with CI or Kitachi with TYI. In both cases it means the same thing, which is the time. So we have the next word, which is Kitachi Kibafika. It means it is time. We have the next one, which is Kiaba Kibawana or Kiaba Kibabwana, which means it is time. We have the next one, Difuku, which means the day. We have the next one, Bufuku means night. We have the next one, Kensha, can be used for both as tomorrow and yesterday, depending on the context of the phrase. We have the next word, which is Bushikwa. Bushikwa, also like Kensha, can be used as day after tomorrow or day before yesterday, depending on the context of the phrase. We have the next word, which is Jalelo or Jalelo. It has two ways of writing. You could find in some other books it is written the first way, or in some other books it is written in two words. In both cases it means today. We have the next word, which is Juba, which is the sun. We have Kweji, which is the moon. We have Mweji, which is the month. And finally we have Mwaka, which means the year. So we are going to review these basics vocabulary in Kiluba. First one, we have Kekiolwa, which means good evening. Secondly, Kiolwa, which means evening. And then we have Lubanga, which means morning. We have Kitachi or Kitachi, which means the time. Next we have Kitachi Kibafika, which means it is time. Next one we have Kiaba Kibawana or Kiaba Kibabwana. It also means it is time. Some people pronounce Kiaba Kibawana, others pronounce Kiaba Kibabwana. In both cases it means it is time, and it is mutually intelligible. Whether you say Kiaba Kibawana or Kiaba Kibabwana, you are going to be understood. Next one we have Jifuku, which means the day. We have Bufuku, which means night. We have Kensha, which can be used for both tomorrow and yesterday, depending on the context. We have Bushikwa, which can be used for both day after tomorrow or day before yesterday, depending on the context. We have Jalelo or Jalelo, which means today. We have Juba, which means the sun. We have Kweji, which means the moon. We have Mweji, which means the month. And we have Mwaka, which means the year. Thanks guys, that is all for this tutorial. And thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and like. You can also find my links to my other social networking sites below, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.